Number 4, you can start the game, please. Court number 4, you can start the game, please. Thank you. Players at court number 6, kindly report to match control. Players at number 6, report to match control.
Next match for court number 5, Chad and Mia.
Calling the attention of players Rachana. Player Rachana, match control please. Player Rachana, match control please.
Court number 6, Mary Rose and Hershey against Julie and Jade. Mary Rose and Hershey against Julie and Jade.
Players number 8, court number 8, kindly report to match control please. Court number 8. Court number 8, timeout number 6. Court number 8, Genevieve RG versus Agnes and Jessica. Court number 8, Genevieve RG versus Agnes and Jessica. Please proceed to number 8. Court number 8. Players at number 7, point number 7, kindly report to match control please. Players at point number 7. Court number 7, Merly and Donna versus Jerry and Mary Bernadette. Please proceed to court number 7. Jerry and Bernadette, please rest 3 minutes after your meeting.
Court number 2, please. Raiden and Moncho against Can and Ross. Court number 2, Raiden and Moncho against Can and Ross.
Players in court number 5, kindly report to match control, please. Court number 3, Sarah Jane and Micah versus Suki and Chai. Please proceed to court number 3. Sarah Jane and Micah versus Suki and Chai. Please proceed to court number 3. Court number 7, Berlin and Mary Bernadette versus Merly and Donna. Court number 7, please. Sarah Jane and Micah versus Suki and Chai. Please proceed to court number 3. Reminders for afternoon players registration is now open. Afternoon players registration is now open. Cash or bank transfer only. Thank you.
Daming camera, tapos alam mo nag-record ka, talo ka. Charot. Look. Sayang. Labanan mo. Kaya mo yan. Kaya yan, labanan mo. Ipasok ang bola, simplihan. Mi, kaya yan. Huwag pa yung syunga-syunga. Bakla, anong palo yun? Pang-elementary yun. Mi, lakasan mo yung palo mo. Pang bata yun. Go. Di bakla, yung ningnig, para nakakita ng tatlong white lady na Oh, perfect. 'Di ba? Paluin mo ng paluin. Diyos ko. Para kayo mga baklang hilaw. Oh. Click ka pa ha. Ayan, click din yung mukha mo.
Echo, please, for number 3, low.
Sabi ni Justin, ano ginagawa mo? Wala ka namang gagawin. Ang daming camera. Ayaw mo. Very good. Oh. Na. Set up, bomba, ngiti. Ganun lang kasimple. Boy, set. Huwag mo sayangin yung gising ko ah.
Cinderella.
Oh, bomb galore. Perfect. Kuya, smash mo na. Go na for the smash. Smash nyo na. Wala kayong oras mag-drop-drop dito.
To our friends at point number 1, friends, supporters, activity on the side, please. Thank you so much. Understanding.
This time ang mapal-mapalaya, ma-announce ka dyan.
Okay lang. Kaya yan. Paghirapan nyo, oy. Kaya yan. Paghirapan nyo.
Point number 5, Chad Mia, Shanti Julian. Point number 5, Chad Mia, Shanti Julian.
Ready, ready, ready. Hello? Ano yun?
Can we call Chad Mia, Shanti Julian? Point number 5.
Yan, ganun, ganun, Mi. Labanan mo, Diyos ko.
Shanti Julian against Grace and Helen. Point number 5, Shanti Julian, Grace and Helen.
Ano score? 21.